Welcome to the Uterson channel. In this video, we are going to show you a free, simple, and easy way to save your security camera recordings to the internet using only a Google account. We want to clarify that what we are showing in this video is not designed to replace a standard cloud recording platform. However, in cases where you cannot or do not want to pay for a standard cloud service, this method helps a lot. To follow this tutorial, you will need a Google account. You can use an existing one, but we advise you to use a new account or at least a dedicated Google account just for the camera. This is necessary so the camera data doesn't mix with your personal files and to ensure the camera can use all the free storage space Google provides. If you wish, you can create a new account. We won't show how to create a Google account here, otherwise the video would be too long. However, we have already posted a step-by-step video on our channel teaching you how to create Google accounts. You can watch that video, create your account, and then come back to this tutorial. We are leaving a link in the description and in the pinned comment, and a button should also appear on your screen right now. Once you have created or chosen the Google account, the next step is to configure it. First, open your preferred browser. Here we are using Chrome, but no matter which browser you use, the steps will be the same. The most practical way to access the settings is through Gmail. In Chrome, click the Gmail button or search for Gmail. Once Gmail is open, click on your profile icon. At this point, we must ensure that the selected account is the one the camera will use. If it's a different one, click Add another account. Now click on Manage your Google account. On the page that opens, search for two-step and click on Two-Step Verification. Click Turn on Two-Step Verification. If you haven't added a recovery phone number yet, a dialog will appear. Click Go Back and then Add Phone Number. Enter a valid phone number. If you are outside the United States, remember to include your country code. Choose whether you want to receive the code via text or voice and click Next. If prompted, enter the confirmation code Google sends you. Our screen doesn't show the validation page because the account we are using was already validated during creation. We will just click Save. Once the number is added, return to the previous page. Click Turn on Two-Step Verification and then click Done. Now go back and search for app password. Click on the result. Under app name, type any name you like and click Create. A dialog with a password will appear. We need to take note of this password without the spaces. You can copy it with Ctrl-C and paste it into your browser's address bar to remove the spaces. You will need this for the camera settings. Now let's access the camera settings. For this video, we're using a specific camera model via the NVS Center software, but this procedure is compatible with any camera, DVR, or NVR. You just need to access your device's settings via software, browser, or app. While menus vary by brand, following our steps will make it easy. But if you need help, just leave a comment. After accessing the settings, you should locate your device's network settings and find the email settings. In the server field, enter SMTP Gmail.com. In Mail From, enter the Google email address you configured for the camera and enter that same address in the Mail to field. In the SMTP username field, enter the email address again. In the password field, you must enter the password that was generated in your account. You can type it manually without spaces or simply paste it. You can set the title as you like, but we will leave it as default. For the port, you can test with 465 and use SSL encryption. When you're finished, just save the settings. The next step is to trigger the images via motion detection. Locate your camera's alarm or event settings. In our case, we enable motion detection, snapshot, and email. This way, whenever the camera detects movement, it sends a photo to the email. If your camera supports sending video files, you can use that instead. Our example camera only supports photos. Save the settings and test it by moving in front of the camera. We forgot to enable detection earlier, so we're doing it now. We move a hand. Refresh the Gmail page. And there is the email with the photo attached. If your camera sends many files, your Google storage will eventually get full. To avoid this, we will perform an extra configuration. To do this, go to your Gmail settings by clicking on the gear icon, then click on the button that says See All Settings. Next, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and finally, click on Create a new filter. In the From field, type your account email. Paste the same email in the To field. Click Create Filter. Check the box Delete it and click Create Filter. Now, every file sent by the camera goes directly to the trash, where it stays for 30 days before being permanently deleted. This gives you a rolling 30-day cloud backup for free. We recommend using one Google account per camera to keep things organized, though you can point multiple cameras to one account if you prefer. That's it for today. We believe this was easy to understand. If you have any trouble, let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tech tips. Thanks for watching Utersonneck.